Namaskar. My name is Anushka Din and I am from Suvad Public School. Today's topic is to verify the formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let's get started. Material required: colored paper, white paper, scale, a pair of scissors, Fevistick or Fevicol, sketch pens, etc.
A red color paper and draw a square with side 6 cm on it. Take a green color paper and draw a square with side 2 cm on it. Take a yellow paper and draw two rectangles with side 6 cm length and 2 cm breadth on it. Now using a pair of scissors, cut the two squares and the two rectangles.
Take a blue color paper and draw a square with side a minus b is equal to 4 cm on it. Now using a pair of scissors and cut this square. Now we come to the figure number 2. Now paste the blue square and the two yellow rectangles on a white chart paper. Now we come to the figure number 3. Now paste the red and the green square on a white chart paper. We have two figures. Area of 2 is equal to area of 3. This is AB square, this is AB, this is AB, and this is A square, and this is B square.
Identity: a minus b whole square plus ab plus ab. A square plus b square, they both are equal. In place of a minus b whole square plus 2ab equals to a square plus b square. Now we transpose 2ab. A minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now it verifies our identity.
Now we say that area of figure 3 is equal to area of figure 2 by the identity of a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square.
Hi friends, I am Adyash Jain of Movers Funny. Friends, today we will try to construct triangle using matchsticks. So let's start. First of all, I will try it with 3 matchsticks. Is it possible? Let's see. Yes friends, it is possible. It is an equilateral triangle. Now I will try it with 4 matchsticks. Friends, you can see we can't form the triangle. The reason behind is that the sum of two sides of triangle must be greater than third side. Now let's try it with 5 matchsticks. Friends, we can see that an isosceles triangle has been formed. Now let's try it with 6 matchsticks. Friends, as you can see, an equilateral triangle has been formed with the help of 6 matchsticks. So we can say that we can form triangles using 3, 5, 6 matchsticks, not with 4 matchsticks. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Raghav Agarwal and I am here to show you how to verify the algebraic identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab by experiential learning. Materials required are 2 squares and 2 rectangles, a ruler, a pair of scissors, a glue stick and sketch pens. And now we will paste it on a white chart paper. As you can see, the dimension of this square is 8 cm each side and I am naming it as A, and the second square dimension is 4 cm each side and I am naming it as B. The area of square is side into side, so the area of this square is A square and B square respectively. Now the length of this rectangle is 8 cm and I am naming it as A, and breadth is 4 cm and I am naming it as B. The second rectangle would be the same as the first rectangle. Now the area of rectangle is length into breadth, so the area of both the rectangles is AB. As you can see that the area of big square ACFG is equal to the sum of areas of two squares ABPH and PDFE and areas of two rectangles BCDP and HPEG. Therefore, the formula we have to verify is A plus B whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, as A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 4. So we will put the values as 8 plus 4 whole square equal to 8 square plus 4 square plus 2 into 8 into 4. So 12 square equal to 64 plus 16 plus 64. So 144 equal to 144. Hence it is verified.
Namaskar, I am Megha Kumawat of class Movers 2D. I am a student of Subodh Public School. Today I am going to perform an activity on triangles. For this activity we will need 2 A4 size sheets, a pair of scissors, pencil, eraser, scale, colors any three of your choice. In this I have taken orange, blue and violet, a marker pen or a sketch pen. First take an A4 size sheet and draw a triangle on it. Mark the angles angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 and color 3 angles in 3 different colors as shown. Draw a straight line on another sheet. Now cut all the 3 angles of the triangle. Now we have to cut all these angles. Now place them on the straight line like this with their vertices meeting at one point. What do we observe? The 3 angles form a straight angle and straight angle measures 180 degree. Hence the sum of all the 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore we verify the angle sum property of a triangle by this activity. By this activity we understand that angle 1, angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Thank you.
Namaskar everyone, I am Sabir Khandelwal of class Movers 2A and today I am going to show you one activity of my mathematics activity book. Our aim for this activity is to find the medians of a triangle by paper folding method. Median is a line segment joining of vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. First of all, we have to cut a triangle. Now I am cutting this triangle. As you can see, I have cut this triangle. To form a median of a triangle ABC, mark the midpoint of the line segment BC. Now fold the triangle AD. When you unfold the triangle, you get a crease, the join A to D. AD is a median of a triangle. Now I am pasting this triangle. Now I have pasted this triangle. As you can see, I have marked the points. AD is a median of this triangle. So the observation we get is by paper folding method, we find midpoint D of side BC. Second observation is by joining vertex A to the point D, we obtain AD, which is the median of a triangle ABC. Thank you.
Namaskar, I am Vedesh Agrawal from class Movers 1A. Today I am here to present you an activity based on addition of integers. First of all, we should know what are integers. Integers are the whole numbers that are positive or negative present on the left and right side of the number 0. Examples can be 1, -1, 2, -2 and so on. Now let's begin with the activity. The aim of this activity is to add integers using color dots. Materials required are a white sheet, red ink, green color dots, some sketch pens and a fevicol or a fev stick. Red dots will be used to show negative numbers and green dots will be used to show positive numbers. The calculations are as follows. In our first calculation, we will paste 3 green and 7 red dots. Like this, we will continue with the other 3 calculations. In second one, 2 and 1 red dots will be used. In third one, 6 green and 2 red dots will be used, and simultaneously in the last one, we will take 2 and 3 green dots. So now, let's see how the calculations will be done. In first case, after pasting 3 green and 7 red dots, we cut 1 red dot by 1 green because sum of -1 and 1 is equal to 0. Now 4 red dots are left, so its answer is -4. In second case, we'll follow the same method as of first. In this, we have all red dots, so there is no cancellation. Now we have 3 red dots left, so its answer is -3. And simultaneously, we will have result for left 2 cases. From this activity, we conclude and understand addition of integers in an easy way. Thank you.